Hello, and welcome to the Santa Barbara County Breeding Bird Study. My name is Marissa DeVille. I will be introducing to you the Breeding Bird Study database on ArcGIS, which is hosted by the University of California, Santa Barbara. To bring you into this, we decided that multiple short videos are a better way to introduce the software as opposed to one long video. On this video, we're going to introduce the BBS to you by asking a particular question and then showing how the BBS can respond to it. This little background video should allow you to explore other tools on the website and pose other birding questions. First, we want to know some of the names of the buttons one by one. In the far upper left-hand corner, you'll see the Santa Barbara Audubon Society logo. Click on that. It leads you to a video on how to submit a breeding bird record. Below the Santa Barbara Audubon Society logo, you will find our toolbar. We have the layers list. These are the data fed into ArcGIS that you will work with. Below that, we have a base map gallery. These provide a variety of background layers against which you may view the geographical data. The next one down is the data filter tools, or filters. Shown are the most common filters you may wish to use to pose your questions of the data. In another video, we will show you how to create your own filters and filter combinations. Next, we have a select tool, whereby you can choose a portion of the screen and then see only those records within a circle or a rectangle or a polygon. Additionally, you may click on any orange point on the map to display some of the data for the record. And of course, you can zoom in and out to your heart's content. For the moment, we're going to assume that many of the other buttons are self-explanatory. However, there's one other button I'd like to show you. At the bottom of the screen, you have a little triangle inside a rectangle. If you click and lift the triangle up, you'll expose the other component of the GIS. This is the database that complements the geographic display. It shows all the records that you see as dots on the screen in database format. We will be learning how to interact with this in another video. Now back to the question we'd like to ask. Here's our question. Where did red-tailed hawks breed in the Elwood portion of Goleta in 2019 and 2020? The present filters allow the more common questions to be pursued easily, and we will see how to use those. Among your icons, you'll see the little funnel, which is the data filter tool. Click that, and you will find 7 filters. Let's filter first by common name. On the left side of that filter, click the arrow. Click in the box that says 0 selected, and then scroll down to red-tailed hawk. Click the box next to it. To activate that filter, I look to the right of the filter by common name, and I flip the switch. The geographic display is now limited to only those species. Now I'll add a second filter. I'll engage the filter by locality. Again, I press the arrow to the left of filter by locality. I click in the box and I type Elwood. I activate the filter again. The geographical display is now limited to only red-tailed hawks in Elwood. It's time to zoom in and take a look at the geographical display. This view shows results for all years, but I only want to see results for 2019 and 2020. Therefore, I activate my third filter, filter by date range. I go over to filter by date range, do the first date, select the date, and I want January 2019, and my second date will be the current date, August 2nd, 2020. Turn on the filter switch, season. Now I only see data for the 2019 and 2020 breeding season. Now we can do one final thing, which is pretty cool. At the bottom of the filter list, you can click on Show Records with a Photo. I turn on the filter switch. Now I can click on any orange point to see the data. I'll scroll down till I see Photo Link and click on the URL. Now I have photo evidence of the data I'm looking for. We're learning about this system ourselves as we put it together. Communicate with us about individual records using the record number. Let us know about problems you encounter. Let us know about cool things that you find or interesting questions you would like to share with others. Thank you for listening and watching. All the best, the BBS team.